How to add and use email templates. Navigate in the Project Explorer to the point Email Templates. Hit the plus button . Now you can give your template a name . A cooldown of 10 seconds is the default. All 10 seconds the email will send to the receiver. Enter your connection details . If you click on Message, you can enter your message. Under the point Addressing, you can add the sender and the receiver. And under the Triggers, you can add the trigger. You have the possibility to choose an event and your variable. And now you can go to Variables . Click on your variable, choose an alarm, hit the alarm settings button, and now you can choose your email template.